Yoga Life is an educational channel to create a network of videos in several languages with constructive themes of life, such as yoga, care of the body, mind, and scientific facts. These videos are related to validity, history, and the enigmas of human life in general. Yoga and Life were designed and founded by Geo Rom-Thuker on July 27, 2022, in Arcadia, California, Los Angeles County. Going back in time, in December 1983, Geo Rom-Thuker joined the Japanese Buddhist group known as the International Federation of Hokkekko Group in Tokyo, Japan. Geo Rom-Thuker, who keeps in touch with the Federation and as a Buddhist leader of the Federation, is well acquainted with its fundamental principles and the Buddhist philosophy of the Nichiren Shoshu school teachings. He is also knowledgeable in the Hindu philosophy of yoga and Hermetic principles. Our videos offer a transparent and logical service, keeping the recipients interested in what they like about our videos. We always try to keep the language clear and concise, allowing the audience to understand what is being said about our subject. And at the same time, we create a clear value proposition. We focus on the use of our videos and audiovisual material in our YouTube channel, taking advantage of its capacity for audiovisual education with satisfactory results. Without a doubt, our Yoga Life channel is a perfect tool to educate, to teach how we function within our daily life and everything that can be done with it. Entertain, transmit the message in a fun and authentic way that users will remember and want to watch again. A video can capture attention and clearly communicate a constructive theme that aligns with the message and is often directly related to the theme of our channel, as it can be in our case as a production company that provides educational audiovisual services. A well-made educational video, incorporated as a didactic strategy, can positively impact. It offers the user the opportunity to analyze and evaluate the nature of reality through descriptions and images, which would often be impossible or very difficult to understand otherwise. It is, therefore, a stimulus to pursue and develop knowledge, techniques, and skills. This is intended to achieve the incorporation of content. And remembering the possibility of interacting with the audience at the time of planning if we keep the suggestions of the followers of our channel. This has always been our goal and will be fundamental to give it a dynamic character in education and discovery. We invite you to explore our channel. I say goodbye with a heartfelt thank you for lending us your valuable attention to this video.